To apply for permit services, you have to go to the goatransport.gov.in website of the Department of Transport. And choose permit services. Select the state Goa and the RTO where the vehicle is registered. I have selected RTO Panaji. Then you say proceed. In other services you apply for permit. To apply for a permit related service, the citizen has to enter the vehicle number and the last 5 digits of the chassis number and say proceed. If the combination doesn't match, then we have to re-enter A07F0120 01050 with the last 5 digits of chassis number and say proceed. The registered mobile number is fetched from the database of the owner of the RC, and on that registered mobile number only the OTP will be generated. So you log into the and proceed to the services to apply for permit online services. Now for this vehicle number GA07F0120, this vehicle permit has expired, so we need to apply for services renewal. If the vehicle permit is expired, then only this option will be allowed. If not, you will get an error. So you click on that option, you get the owner details, the vehicle details, the address of the owner, the permanent address and the current address. In other details, all the validities of the RC, it is the tax validity, fitness validity, insurance, pollution, and if the challan is there and it is not cleared, it will be shown here. In the permit details, the permit details are extracted from the database of the vehicle. The vehicle data is fetched and we can see the permit number, permit validity form issued in the month May 2016 and valid up to May 2021. So today the permit is expired, the 1 day has crossed. So you apply, the citizen is applying for the renewal of permit. Permit type is goods permit and all the details have been fetched. So what the user has to do is renew the permit for another 5 years. So we have to select period 5 years. Nature of good is extracted from the database. So if there is any changes, you can change it. If there is no changes, the good nature of good has no changes, is not changed, so it will be general goods only. So other things we do not have to change, only the period we have to mention. For the next 5 years it has to be renewed, and that is the only the entry the user does and submits the application. So the temporary application get generated, we need to verify further. So this application number get generated, we need to verify it now. So again cross check what you have entered. So the only the user what I have changed is he has add a period of 5 years extension, that is the renewal period, another 5 years permit is been renewed, will be renewed. So this, once you submit, the application will be verified and will be proceeding for payment. So you pay now. In permit fee details, the application will be checked for the fees, and the amount is, renewal amount is 300. So it is the correct figure what is coming. So the user hereby declares that the application is correct and makes the payment online. Payment once made will not be refunded, that alert message is shown. So you proceed for payment. If the payment to net banking or to debit card or credit card or UPI payment transaction, you use any type of mode of payment, and if it is success, you will get a receipt. The citizen will get a receipt. The receipt can be printed or saved in a digital form, or it can be printed on the printer. So you go back after printing the receipt and saving it digitally. You can get a reprint of the receipt by clicking on this option, reprint of receipt. So after the receipt is printed, the application is auto renewed and is pending for print. See, this alert message you see is for this application number is pending at RTO for permit print. So the after payment of fees, it will be auto renewed, auto verified and approved, and the application is completed and it is waiting for print. So you click on this option, click here to print your permit. You print by either application number or by registration number. So with the registration number you get the details. So this is the, so if you see our application number is 9776. So 9776 renewal print is available to you. You can take a print of it. So this is the digital form of the permit renewal, which can be saved in a PDF form or it can be printed on the printer. So this is how we can print. So see here the option is the permit print on the top, renewal of permit is mentioned. So the transaction is not a fresh permit, it is a renewal of permit. So this is the digitized form certificate of permit that can be verified online through QPR code. There is no need of signature. So this is how we end the process of renewal of permit online. You can take a reprint of your receipt, you can take a print of your permit anytime for a period of 10 days. So this is how we complete the process of renewal. Thank you.